All right, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video testing out the onboard microphones on the Soundcore P30i truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So, in today's video, we're going to be testing out the onboard microphones on these earbuds in two different scenarios. The first one is going to be this scenario right here, the ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. And then the second one is going to be a stimulated, crowded, or noisy environment. Now, I do want to apologize. It's 94 degrees outside today. The AC is running, so you may hear the AC cut off and on as I record different parts of the video. There's really nothing I can do about that. I don't want to get extra toasty, so we're leaving the AC on. But without further ado, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys and gals find it helpful. And let's begin. So starting off here we are testing out the microphones in the ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. All right. Let me know what y'all think of this environment right here. I won't know what it sounds like until I watch the video back in post, but hopefully it sounds good. Okay. Now, I do have some crowd noise pulled up on my Roku in the background, which is coming out of my TV here, and we're going to use that to simulate a noisy or crowded environment. Now, for reference, I do have my TV set to 18% volume, so we're going to see how the microphones on the earbuds do isolating my voice over the ambient or surrounding sounds. So let me go ahead and push play now. I'm going to let it play for a couple seconds, and then I'm going to continue to talk at my normal volume, at my normal cadence, and see how it does. So here we go. Let me push play. Okay, that's good. Now I'm just going to talk at my normal volume and my natural cadence, and hopefully the microphones do a good job of isolating my voice over the ambient or surrounding sounds. You guys and gals, let me know how you feel the microphone performs down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Okay, that's enough for this test right here. Let me push stop. Okay, and now we're back to the first scenario, an ideal or close to ideal noise-free environment. And that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for today's video. Now, real quickly, before I get up out of here, I just want to let everyone see and know how I have this whole video set up. So, recording the video here today, I am using the primary rear-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. This video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio input connected up. Okay, so all the audio you guys and gals are hearing from today's video is being recorded via these connected Bluetooth microphones. All right, and I'm gonna put up some B-roll in post now, letting y'all see how I have everything set up. So all I've really done here is connected up the earbuds to the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. All right. Then I just verified they were connected, as you can see right here. Then I just jumped into the stock Samsung Galaxy camera application. Okay. And then I went all the way over to Video Pro mode. And then I switched the audio input from Omni Audio on device audio to Bluetooth input audio. And what's really cool here as well is they have a mixed audio setting. So you can mix in Bluetooth audio and onboard audio to get a really good overall sound experience. I think that's pretty cool, but I just set it to Bluetooth audio input. Then I lined up the cameras. Y'all can see I set the TV volume to 18% volume. Now it kind of overexposed, so I don't know how well that's going to come out, but take my word for it. I set the TV volume to 18%. Then I just push record, spun the cameras around, and then I started recording this video. So that is exactly how I set up this video here today. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And also remember, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to my extended coverage for these earbuds will be linked up down below in the video description, as well as where you can purchase these earbuds for a really great price. Down below in the video description will contain affiliated buy links, meaning that when you guys and gals make your purchase using those links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So with the extended coverage and the affiliated buy links, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, we are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace.